Good afternoon to all. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And today we are going to talk about the Wipro. Yes, and this channel would not like this video would not tell about what bonus or dividend or any breaking news and all, right? Because we are just going to be talk what exactly is news is coming related to the Wipro and why yesterday Wipro gained almost 5%. Okay, after long time we have able to see that a 5% closer by the Wipro. Yes, because see there because yesterday was the market in entire deep trouble. Yes, almost all indices are in their big correction way, and Nifty even crosses big support 17k and drill down, right? Except IT indices, all indices are in a deep trouble yesterday, and almost all investors are literally like they lose their money almost to like crore or something, if I am correct, right? But yesterday Wipro made us or give some happiness to the at least the Wipro investors, close almost 5%. Yes, there is a 2 to 3 4 in news where Wipro is just giving this good smile to their investors, right? First is that yesterday was the IT indices were closed in the green. Okay, second is that if you see the 1 year chart of Wipro, like, so the high was Wipro is 740. Okay, so after one from 740 he 40 high to now he's trailing to 774. Okay, he's already, because when he started yesterday, like the price, one second, if I, yes, Friday ka open with 660, low was 650 and high is 676. Yani almost high from 740 to Wipro came down to 650. Yani means 100 point, you can consider in terms of amount, not point, 100 rupees down, right? Okay, so that is one reason, because from last couple of days we can see that Wipro is just in sideways zone. There is a no big correction or there is a no big movement, right? That could be, I consider, the second reason where yesterday we have seen a good jump in Wipro. And other than that, we have some good information, like, once again, this is my stock market channel where you need to be subscribe this channel, right? So first news is that Wipro to acquire Lean Swift solution for a $21 million US dollar. Yes, yesterday the news is confirmed day before yesterday only. The impact was happened yesterday. Okay, so Wipro is take over one US based company in price of $21 million, which is very good sign for Wipro and Wipro investors. That is the reason we have sorry, we could have seen that yesterday Wipro jump. And okay, so if Wipro acquired this company, then what benefit Wipro will get and what exactly LeanSwap will do? Okay, here we have some few information. LeanSwap solution is a US based system integrator of in 4 products with the capabilities in ERP, e-commerce, digital transformation, supply chain, warehouse management system, business intelligence and integration. Wipro will get 100% stake in LeanSwift in full cash transaction worth rupees $21 million. Okay, this acquisition will complete by March 31st 2022. So company is a US based company, and that's in a IT segment only, right? And fourth big news is that Wipro position as a leader in the worldwide smart manufacturing service providers 2021. Yes, this would be one of the main reason we can say, because Wipro, no doubt, Wipro is a leader in their segment, right? But a day before yesterday, even it's we have got to know that Wipro position as a leader in the worldwide smart manufacturing service provider by the globally, right? So this 3 to 4 information position Wipro yesterday to gain almost 5%, and for coming to entry or exit point, there will be a no discussion, because Wipro is not a stock where we have to be see the gain for like quick money, like for 1 month or 2 month. We have to be available, or we have to be invest in Wipro for almost long term, for 10 years 15 years, right? So I hope you will you have watched complete video and you like the video. So kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.